Another day, another oil change. So, after nga natin magparehistro ng sasakyan, guys, we are now headed to Shell C5 extension. May nag-comment kasi sa YouTube, oil change daw, wag daw change oil yung sabihin ko. So, nung chinek ko, parang tama nga naman. But anyways, we are back na naman again for another oil change. And syempre, dito pa rin tayo sa suki natin. This time, medyo maaga-aga na tayo nakarating kasi maaga ako nagparehistro and natapos rin naman. Tingin ko mas okay yung punta ko ngayon because walang pila ako kaagad yung and good thing, wala na rin akong babalikan kasi nag-antay na ako sa car wash. Actually, yun yung medyo matagal yung waiting time dun sa car wash. So, while waiting, magagawa lang tayo aking mga schedules and may mga titingnang mga pending. And it's 9:44 already. Tingin ko mabilis-bilis na rin naman to. Hopefully. Kaya ayan, mag-edit muna tayo while waiting. And also, we'll do some journaling and syempre, realignment. And also, checking my schedules. We always make sure na at least 1 to 2 months ahead ako na isulat ko na yung mga routine na schedule ko. And also, yung mga need ko na ma-remind yung sarili ko. Ito pala yung service menu nila. So, nag-vary yung price depende sa car mo. So, might as well, tanongin nyo na lang sila pag pumunta kayo. Or pwede kayong tumawag sa branch. Ito pala yung last time na hindi ko nang pakita sa inyo. May convenience stores. And let me remind you, if may card kayo from Shell, you might wanna use that para sa points and discount. And this is me again, ginagamit yung app para meron kang 10% discount. On top of that pa dyan, kapag in-scan mo, di ba magbabayad ka, meron ka pang ma-accumulate na points, which is good. You can use that for your next purchase. And to pay for my bill, I use the China Bank Freedom credit card. If you wanna use my referral code, I'll put the link down below. And we are done. Natapos tayo around 11:30. Okay lang, parang ang bilis naman ng oras kapag may ginagawa ka while waiting. So, yeah, let's go! I'm so happy. May recommendation lang sila na I needed to change my automatic transmission oil, if I'm not mistaken. So, ibabalik ko to ulit if I have free schedule. Importanteng palitan yun, guys, kasi kapag hindi na palitan yun, alams na. So, yeah, that's it. Till my next change oil, 63K. Okay, bye!